If you're 18 now and think compound interest is a new challenge YouTuber, then this is your financial reality check. Compound interest isn't some lame trick from your math teacher. It's math with superpowers. It's the coolest, most unfair retirement plan that no one understands. And you're going to be sick when you finally realize what you're losing every single day. If you save a measly €200 every month, that's what, 3 fancy meals out or a new pair of sneakers, instead of burning it. By the time you're 65, you'll have almost €700,000.
Another future self? Yes. Welcome to L4F Finance.
Or you're 42, waking up hungover again on your stained mattress, and you realize with a quiet pop in your brain, the only thing that has really multiplied in your life is your darn Netflix subscription. Shh. Yes, another future self. We at L4F Finance love this trick. It's effective. So, start now, not tomorrow, not after vacation, not next darn year, because compound interest hates procrastination like the plague.
Let's compound this stuff, yeah.
Compound interest isn't sexy, numbers aren't sexy. But financial freedom is darn hot.